Hi there, welcome to my new video. I want to present in this video how to add to a 3D tool a parametric body from the tool parametric. I will be used here maybe a small bug in the system. I hope it's still working in the next releases. It works since, I don't know, at least 3 years. So I prepare a tool here. It's a solid, it's an insert mill, not solid carbide insert mill, and I use this tool from example libraries and prepare the parametric body. You see here. Now, why we have this vision now? It's depending on my MCS coordinate system, ZM, this one. You can adjust it if you put your coordinate system in direction of the tool. So that's just the things with the visibility of the tool depending on the MCS, machine coordinate system. And the other, if you open the tool, now it's aligned to the work coordinate system, the VCS of NX by self. You can display it. You see here with the W key on the keyboard, and you see it's at standard is directed to your construction coordinate system. So I move it to the same, to 90 degree. Make it a little bit easier to work on. You see here, if you open the tool, is now in the right direction. But the next step, if you export this tool now to the tool library, you don't get the parametric body. I want to show you how you can now export it back. First one, you can right click and say object and export part. If you export part now, and it will be then you have the parametric body. Now you can take this parametric body from the other part, from the other part, and copy paste it to here. That's not so smart solution. I want to show you a little trick on this point. I say here, select this tool. You can go to the geometry and select any options you have. Yeah. Even assemblies and wave linker. The tool is disappearing. Yeah. If you come back now, you see it displayed. This display shows you now in the memory the assembly part of the tool. I go a second time to wave geometry linker and it keep it. So I can select the body, yeah, select my wave geometry linker to the body, say okay, I linked it to this body. Now you see it here, link geometry body. Now the trick is that I can go to the geometry and say here optimize face with this function. Now I remove the parameters of the feature, and it will remain as a body part in my part navigator. You see also in the assembly it's disappeared, it's nothing there, it's just in the memory inside. And if you select now mill, you see is coming up the parameters, and that's it. Quite simple. No tricks, don't need to copy paste anything, just use wave geometry linker or another option. Go then back to the wave geometry linker, link the geometry, say optimize the face, keep it as a body in your part file, and now we say it's Alex or 1, whatever. I tried several times. That's why export part file in the geometry. Now you can select the mounting point. X-axis must be always shown to the spindle. It's very important, the same like here. Now I select here my 4 objects as a cutting part, more for inserts, and I export the tool. Select the target class, the templates, the holder system, say OK. Now that will be generated. OK. And I can come over here and open my pocket. The tool Alex 01. Then I have a preview. The other one I just, here I miss my parametric body. Here I have the parametric body even as an solid part. Say OK, cancel, and put my operation to the new tool. Generate the part, and you can simulate in a machine. The parametric, not the parameter, 3D solid body in optimized movement.